Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. In today's video, we are going to be doing a sleek bun. We're going to be doing a sleek bun. There's actually 5, but 2, 4, 5, yeah, 5 products. These are all the styling products. So I'm gonna review that in another video. But I just wanted to do a separate video on these, this product, which is the curl defining pudding infused with argan oil, reduces frizz for curly, coily, that's what I love to see. Reduces frizz for curly and coily. Pantene. Thanks for trying. Before I even tried, thank you for trying, and thank you for putting us in the park, putting us in the ball game, putting us on the field. At Coles Shopping Center, I can find coily. Even if it doesn't work, I'm sure I'm gonna find something. Let's get into the slick. And this slicks down natural hair. When I talk about natural hair, I mean like fresh out of the wash type stuff. So my hair needs a wash. I'm gonna wash it in another video. So this is the perfect hair for it, because if your hair is dirty, it's not clean, you just need a nice look that you can do. This is it. We're gonna start with the spritz bottle, and we're gonna spritz our hair. Ideally, it would be good if you start with actually kind of damp hair a little bit. Cool, hair is saturated. Now, I'm gonna take my comb. You can take whatever comb you want. And my hair is already parted because I had this style. It's not a great part, I won't lie. This is I'm going to work part. So let me try and fix it up a little bit. So detangling my hair, good to go. Add some leave-in conditioner just to moisturize your hair a little bit. Just add a little bit so it's easy to, work with. Or if it needs a little bit of moisturizing, you can do that. You need 2 hair ties. So you want to tie your hair in how you want it to be. So I want to do a low. Then you see how it's kind of bumpy and it's not really smooth? That's when you get your water. Spritz your water. Because we want to take away those flyaways. We want to take away all that stuff. And start smoothing out. This is before you've tied it, but you want to keep a tight hold on your hair. So like that. Right. And then smooth it out with your hands. So you just lay it exactly how you want it to be, bearing in mind your baby hairs, as in like how you want to style them. So I'm pretty happy with that. Then you take your hair tie, first hair tie, and you want to tie it tight, but you don't want to have a headache at the end of the day, This is when this brush, the hard brush, ball brush. If you have a ball brush, or I don't know what these are called. So this brush comes in and it'll help you with your flyaways and stuff. Look how shiny it is, so nice. So just go down, brush it all down. This is when your gel comes in. And the way that, it's not a gel, actually, it's a pudding. So this is a no gel sleek bun, because we're not using gel. It's an argan oil infused pudding with a light hold. This is not a light hold. This is a strong hold. Only Christians will understand. Okay, so the way that I like to do it so that I don't use too much product is I'll take my ball brush, take my product, and just do this. Let me just show you so I don't have to. Then I like to dab. So you can start section by section. In reality, we've probably used like a teaspoon of product at best, instead of using like 10,000 scoops. Your product will last longer as well. It won't be drying on your head. So there's still some on the brush. That's when you begin to comb it out. Please, a moment for Pantene. I'm really like impressed, to be honest. Look how shiny. You're telling me this is no gel. This was damn pudding. Now this is the perfect time to get your do-rag if you have one, or your wrap if you have one. I usually don't use anything because I would have left the house by now to go to work or to go to church. Oh, we're matching. Ew. Then you go in. You don't actually even need to use any gel. You can just go in as is, but obviously we want it to last for the day. So take your gel. I'm not like those people who want to do like 10,000 baby hairs. I prefer to just follow my actual baby hairs, if that makes sense. Well, the ones that are visible. Now that that's been slicked, you can go back in with another ponytail. So when I do this style, I just like a ballerina type of vibe, and then twirl the rest around. So cute. This is it. Guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. This is how you can do your sleek bun on your natural dirty hair, or clean, whatever you want, for a quick and easy minimalist look, using a pudding or no gel, if you want to call it. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave your comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.